I like watching you sleep. I just want to try one thing. Just stay very still. Don't move. Stop! I can't ever lose control with you.
Hey, don't go.
여고생 전학생과 특별한 능력을 지닌 한 남자의 이야기를 함께 들여다보도록 합시다. 영화 트와일라이트입니다. 재혼한 부모님이 멀리 여행을 가게 되자 벨라는 경찰인 친아빠가 사는 비가 많이 내리는 작은 도시로 이사를 가게 됩니다.
There's a small town named Forks. This is where I'm moving. My dad's Charlie. He's the chief of police.
그곳에서 예전에 알고 지내던 인디언 친구도 만나고
Bella, you remember Billy Black?
Yeah.
I'm glad you're finally here.
Hi, I'm Jacob. We used to make mud pies when we were little.
Right. No, I remember.
새로운 고등학교에서 새로운 친구들을 사귀게 되죠.
I'm Eric, the eyes and ears of this place. Whoa! Yeah, hey, I'm Mike.
그리고 친구들을 통해 컬린네 식구들에 대해 듣게 됩니다.
Who are they?
The Cullens kind of keep to themselves. Yeah, because they're all together. The blonde girl, that's Rosalie. The big dark-haired guy, Emmett. They're like a thing. The little dark-haired girl's Alice. She's really weird. She's with Jasper, the blonde one who looks like he's in pain.
Who's he?
Edward Cullen. He's totally gorgeous.
벨라는 에드워드에게 무언가 끌리는 듯 보입니다. 그날 수업 시간에 벨라는 에드워드와 마주치게 되는데 벨라의 머리 냄새가 선풍기에 날리자 에드워드는 심각한 표정을 짓고 질색하기 시작하고 이내 수업을 뛰쳐나가서 다른 수업으로 바꾸려고 합니다.
I'm afraid you'll have to stay in biology.
Just have to endure it.
벨라는 당황하죠. 그리고 다음날 모레에도 에드워드는 수업에 나오지 않습니다.
Strange.
에드워드가 없는 사이 마을에서는 살인사건이 일어나기 시작합니다. 시간이 지나고 에드워드는 멀쩡한 모습으로 수업에 복귀하고 심지어 벨라에게 먼저 말을 걸기 시작합니다.
Hello, I'm Edward Cullen. You're Bella?
Yes. You were gone.
I was out of town for a couple of days. Personal reasons. So you're enjoying the rain?
You're asking me about the weather? I don't really like the rain. Wet thing, I don't really.
그리고 벨라는 대화를 하다가 에드워드에게서 이상한 점을 발견하게 됩니다.
Continentally west.
My mom remarried and
바로 눈색이 변한 것이죠.
stay with my dad for a while.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to figure you out. You're very difficult for me to read.
Did you get contacts?
No.
Black, the last time I saw you in
대답하기 곤란한 에드워드는 헛기침 한번 해주고 자리를 피합니다. 수업이 끝나고 집을 가려는데 벨라에게 차가 돌진하기 시작합니다. 그리고 에드워드가 어디선가 나타나 초인적인 힘으로 벨라를 구해주고 유유히 떠납니다.
I heard the chief's daughter was here.
Oh, Dr. Cullen.
I got this one, Jackie.
Look here.
Those look good. No signs of any head trauma.
You know, it would have been a whole lot worse if Edward wasn't there.
Edward. Your boy?
To be so fast, he was nowhere near me.
What was I supposed to do? Let it die.
It's about all of us.
Can I talk to you for a minute?
그리고 벨라는 이런 말도 안 되는 상황을 설명하라고 에드워드에게 말하지만 에드워드는 아무도 믿지 않을 거라면서 잊어버리라고 합니다.
You pushed it away with your hand.
Well, nobody's gonna believe you.
I wasn't going to tell anybody. I just need to know the truth.
Can't you just thank me and get over it? You're not gonna let this go, are you?
No.
Well, then I hope you enjoy disappointment.
하지만 벨라는 이 상황을 잊을 수가 없죠.
Bella, we shouldn't be friends.
다음 날 에드워드는 또 이상한 소리를 하기 시작합니다.
You don't know anything.
Hey, the push baby. You in?
시간이 흐르고 벨라는 친구들과 해변을 가기로 하는데
Edible art?
그때 또 에드워드가 친한 척하면서 다가옵니다.
Your mood swings are kind of giving me whiplash.
I only said it'd be better if we weren't friends, not that I didn't want to be. It means if you were smart, you'd stay away from me.
Okay, well, let's say for argument's sake that I'm not smart. Did you tell me the truth?
If I'm the bad guy.
You're not. Why don't we just hang out? Everybody's going to the beach. Come.
I don't know. It's just a little crowded.
그렇게 에드워드 없이 해변을 가는데 인디언 친구들에게 이상한 소리를 듣게 됩니다.
You guys should keep Bella company. She invited Edward.
Bella's a freak. You got that right.
You guys know him?
The Cullens don't come here.
What did your friends mean about...
You caught that, huh? I'm not really supposed to say anything about it.
늑대 인디언 부족과 에드워드 일가의 종족에 관한 이야기였습니다.
That's the legend of our tribe.
So what's the story about the Cullens?
Well, they're supposedly descended from this lake. My great-grandfather, the chief, found them hunting on our land. But they claim to be something different, so we made a treaty with them. They promised to stay off Quiyu lands. We wouldn't expose what they really were to the palefaces.
What are they really?
It's just a story, Bella.
그리고 마을에는 어떤 이들이 살인을 저지르고 다니고 있었죠.
Hello. Who are you?
It's always the same inane question. James, let's not play with our food.
그날 밤 벨라는 인디언 친구가 말해준 이야기와 관련된 책을 사고 돌아가는 길에 불량배들을 마주하게 됩니다.
Don't touch me.
그때 어디선가 에드워드가 나타나서 벨라를 구해줍니다.
Get in the car.
Here's Manu.
Go back there and rip those guys' heads off. All the vile, repulsive things they're thinking. We talk about something else. Distract me so I won't turn around.
Put your seatbelt on.
그리고 식사를 하면서 둘은 진솔한 대화를 나누기 시작합니다.
You're really not gonna eat?
Special diet.
You gotta give me some answers. How did you know where I was?
I didn't. Don't leave.
Follow me?
I feel very protective of you.
So you followed me.
I was trying to keep this unless you needed my help. I heard what lowlifes were thinking.
You heard what they were thinking? You read minds.
I can read every mind in this room apart from yours. Money, sex, cat. And then you, nothing. It's very frustrating.
Is there something wrong with me?
I don't have the strength to stay away from you anymore.
Then don't.
둘이 서로에게 관심 있는 것을 알게 되죠.
Your hand is so cold.
그리고 벨라는 구매한 책을 통해서 에드워드의 존재에 대해 알게 됩니다. 바로 에드워드가 뱀파이어라는 것이죠.
You're impossibly fast and strong. Your skin is pale white and ice cold. Your eyes change color. And sometimes you speak like you're from a different time. You never eat or drink anything. You don't go out in the sunlight. How old are you?
17.
How long have you been 17?
A while.
I know what you are.
Say it.
Vampire.
Are you afraid?
No.
Then ask me the most basic question. What do we eat?
You won't hurt me.
그렇지만 벨라는 그가 어떠한 존재이든지 문제가 되지 않아 보입니다. 벨라는 에드워드에게 흠뻑 빠져버렸기 때문이죠. 오히려 에드워드를 잃어버릴까봐 전전긍긍하는 경지에 이르게 되죠.
Diamonds. You're beautiful.
This is the skin of a killer, Bella. I'm a killer.
I don't believe that.
I'm the world's most dangerous predator. Everything about me invites you in. My voice, my face, even my smell. If you could outrun me! As if you could fight me off. I'm designed to kill.
I don't care.
I've killed people before.
It does not matter.
I wanted to kill you. I've never wanted human's blood so much in my life.
I trust you. I'm here. I trust you.
We're different from others of our kind. We only hunt animals. We learn to control our thirst. But it's you. Your scent is like a drug to me. Brand of heroin.
Why did you hate me so much when we met?
Only for making me want you so badly. I still don't know if I can control myself. I can't read your mind. You have to tell me what you're thinking.
I'm not afraid of you. I'm only afraid of losing you. Like you're gonna disappear.
I don't know how long I've waited for you. The lion fell in love with the lamb.
What a stupid lamb.
Masochistic lion.
그렇게 해서 서로의 진심을 주고받은 둘은 더욱더 깊은 사랑에 빠지게 됩니다.
About three things I was absolutely positive. Edward was a vampire that thirsted for my blood. I was unconditionally and irrevocably in love with him.
그리고 에드워드가 어떻게 뱀파이어가 되었고 어떻게 사는지 다른 동료들은 어떤지 듣게 됩니다.
What was it like?
The venom was excruciating. Carlisle did was much harder. Not many of us have the restraint to do that.
You just have to fight?
When we taste human blood, sort of frenzy becomes impossible to stop.
The real reason that you don't kill people.
I don't want to be a monster. My family, We think of ourselves as vegetarians. We only survive on the blood of animals. It wouldn't be like drinking your blood, for instance.
Was it other vampires that killed Waylon?
Yeah, there are others out there, and we run into them from time to time.
Read people's minds like you can?
No, that's just me. Alice can see the future. Alice's visions are subjective. I mean, the future can always change.
다음날 에드워드는 벨라를 자신의 집으로 초대하고 가족들을 소개합니다.
It's the one place we don't have to hide.
Get away from that. Here comes the human. Bella, we're making Italiano for you.
Esme, my mother, for all intents and purposes.
The kitchen for the first time.
I hope you're hungry.
She already ate.
물론 다 환영하는 것 같진 않아
Because
보입니다.
I know that you guys don't eat, so of course.
All right, I'm gonna take you on a tour of the rest of the house.
I'm really liking Forks. Forks is growing on me.
Could a guy have anything to do with that?
Yeah.
But he's smart. Is he smart?
다음날 에드워드는 벨라의 집에 몰래 들어와 음탕한 짓을 하려고 하는데
How did you get in here?
The window?
Do you do that a lot?
Just the past couple of months. I like watching you sleep. I just want to try one thing. Just stay very still. Don't move. Stop it! I can't ever lose control with you.
Hey, don't go.
에드워드는 그녀를 위해 이내 멈추고 맙니다. 다음날 벨라는 에드워드와 야구 게임을 하러 가는데
Only time we can play. You'll see why.
Calm as you see him, Bella.
그곳에서 또 다른 뱀파이어 무리를 만나게 됩니다.
It's too late.
I shouldn't have brought you here. I'm so sorry.
I believe this belongs to you.
두 무리 사이에는 보이지 않는 신경전이 펼쳐지는데
And James. Your hunting activities are something of a mess for us. Territory had been claimed. We won't be a problem anymore. We were just passing.
그중 한 명이 벨라의 냄새를 맡게 되고 상황은 좋지 않게 흘러가게 됩니다.
A human? I think it best if you leave. We'll go now. Get Bella out of here. Go.
What, now he's coming after me?
Listen to me. James is a tracker. The hunt is his obsession. I read his mind. It's never gonna stop.
What should we do?
에드워드는 벨라를 멀리 보내려 하는데 아버지를 지키기 위해서 집으로 가게 됩니다.
Doesn't matter.
It does. He could get killed because of us to do something.
Edward, I said leave me alone.
Bella, what's going on?
I'm leaving now.
Bella?
Well, what am I gonna say to him? I can't hurt him.
Bella, what's going on?
You just have to. Get down the truck.
I don't want this. I have to go home.
그리고 아버지가 따라오지 못하도록 상처 주는 말을 하고 집을 떠나게 됩니다.
I can change that. We can do more stuff together.
Like watch baseball on the flat screen? Dad, that's you. That's not me.
Bella, come on. I just got your back.
Yeah, and you know, if I don't get out now, then I'm just gonna be stuck here like Mom.
Your father's gonna forgive you. It's the only way he'll let you go. Don't worry about him now. He's safe. The tracker's following us.
We'll tear him apart and burn the pieces.
I'm gonna run Bella south. Can you lead the tracker away from here?
에드워드 가족은 벨라를 지키기 위해서 추적자를 유인하기 시작하는데
Bella, set. Bella, you are my life now.
Rosie, walk the tree. It's good.
그때 미래를 보는 앨리스가 추적자가 속지 않고 벨라를 쫓아오는 것을 알게 되고 그가 갈 장소를 미리 보게 됩니다.
He just changed course.
Where will it take him, Alice?
Mirrors. A room full of mirrors.
그때 벨라에게 전화가 오는데
It was just too easy.
그녀의 엄마가 납치되어 있다는 것을 듣게 됩니다.
It all worked out quite well.
Don't touch her! Don't just...
You can still save her, but you're gonna have to get away from your friends. How about your old ballet studio? And I'll know if you bring anyone along. Poor mommy would pay the price for that mistake.
그렇게 벨라는 혼자서 거울이 가득한 방으로 가는데 추적자에게 속아 넘어가게 됩니다.
She's not even here.
Sorry.
그렇게 머리를 다치고 다리까지 부러지게 됩니다.
Tell Edward how much. Tell him to avenge him.
그때 또 에드워드가 나타나서 벨라를 구하려는데 뭔가 역부족 같아 보입니다.
Faster than the others, but not stronger. I'm strong enough to kill you. I'm sorry.
설상가상으로 벨라는 추적자에게 물리게 되고 독에까지 퍼져나가기 시작합니다. 개빡친 에드워드는 추적자를 죽이려고 하죠. 그때 가족이 와서 추적자를 대신 죽여주고 에드워드는 벨라에게 퍼진 독액을 빨아들이기 시작합니다.
Marauder's been savage. She's losing too much blood. To make a choice, either let the change happen.
I'll make it go away, Bill.
Edward, stop. Edward, stop. Find the will.
그렇게 벨라는 뱀파이어로 변하지 않고 에드워드 덕에 인간으로 다시 살아났습니다.
He's asleep. He never leaves.
I'm alive because of you.
No, you're in here because of me. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to stop.
You did stop.
에드워드는 벨라에게 이곳을 떠나라고 하는데
No, I can't just leave you.
이런 일을 당하고도 벨라는 에드워드를 사랑해서
That's me.
다시는 그런 말을 하지 말라고 합니다. 시간이 흐르고 무도회에 오는데 인디언 친구가 이 편을 암시하는 이야기를 하기 시작합니다.
He wants you to break up with your boyfriend. He said, quote, we'll be watching you.
Take her, man.
Guess I'll see you around, Bella.
Edward, why did you save me? You just let the venom spread. I could be like you right now. Always.
I'm not gonna end your life for you.
I'm dying already. Every second I get closer, older.
It's the way it's supposed to be.
Alice said that she saw me like you. I've decided.
So that's what you dream about.
벨라는 에드워드처럼 뱀파이어가 되어 영원히 사랑하는 삶을 원하지만 에드워드는 허락하지 않았습니다.
Just to have a long and happy life with me.
For now. But I won't give in. I know what I want.
그리고 이런 둘을 지켜보는 이가 있었으니 이렇게 1편 트와일라이트를 소개시켜드렸는데 반응이 좋지 않으면은 다른 한 편에 끝나는 영화를 소개시켜드릴 예정입니다. 재밌게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다.